up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danny. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I want to thank you for giving me some time out of your day today. So today we're going to review this June Birchbox. This is actually my third Birchbox. Let me not get tongue-tied. Birchbox. I got two a month ago, and the second box was a complimentary box for signing up with the company. So I got it at a discount, of course. You know me, I mean, on the discounts. No. They gave me a second box for free for signing up, and I'm already giving Birchbox the side eye. Hold on. Okay, I'm already giving Birchbox the side eye because I already got two duplicates in the box. So I got one box that I paid for, the second box was free, and I got two of the same product. So hopefully we won't have that problem this month, but I don't think I'm going to stick around with Birchbox anyway because I've been looking for some new subscriptions. So this is my first time. I didn't open it. It still has the whatever that's called on there. Hold on, because my address is still on there. Alright, so we're going to open it up now. I am getting way too carried away with these subscriptions. I had Onyx Box. Oh my god, these Inaya, she pushed the door open. Okay, we're back. My dogs got in here and almost knocked my camera down. Okay, so we were opening up the June. I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. Hold on. Okay. This is cute. Birchbox. Looks like summertime. They have donuts. Sorry, not donuts. I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. They have the beach blankets, people laying out on the beach. That's why it's not a donut. It's an umbrella, a sun umbrella. People playing volleyball. So it's summer themed. So let's see what's inside. Warm weather pleasures. Okay. So again, you get your description of what comes in the box. We have a Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Davines hair and body wash. I already know I'm gonna use that. Extension plus curl mascara, maybe. Peak Beauty drying blush. I don't know. And a moisturizer, maybe. Okay, so here's the body wash. Travel size, if you're going away. This smells good. This is just a hair and body wash. I remember I never used to like stuff that you could wash your hair and your body with because I thought that if you use it on your body, you would start growing hair. Places that the hair didn't belong. Full size. 2.5 ounces is a full size. Okay. Next product, we have a Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. And this is 0.25 fluid ounces. Let's see what that smells like. Very tiny little travel sample size. And it's a moisturizer. Oh, whoa, that was a little bit too much. Put some on my hands. A little bit of extra lotion, not gonna hurt. Smells light and summery. Okay, next product. Oh, okay, so this is what I mean. I have been getting duplicates. This is why I am skeptical of joining subscriptions because they will always send you a duplicate. Now, I'm already pissed off. I have this here. This is, and I didn't notice it when I read it, but Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Now, I'm gonna show you. This is the Birchbox that I got last month that I didn't do a review on because I didn't feel like it. And here we are. Another Balance Me Skin Serum. Like, what am I gonna do with two of these? I have two of these. This is the duplicate that I got last month. I have another bottle somewhere. I don't know why it's not in here. But this is the second time I'm getting a duplicate. So I'm definitely gonna cancel Birchbox because I can't do the duplicates. Like, I'm not gonna spend $10 on a month to get the same supplies over and over. And so yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll do a giveaway and give away some of these products. I'm not gonna use them Why do I need duplicates? Okay, so this is cute. Metally Matte Peak. This is a quick drying cream blush. Already I can tell that it's not gonna match my complexion. And when I did sign up for Birchbox, I did fill out the things that you would like in the box, like your hair type, your hair texture, your skin, if you have oily skin or dry skin, if you have coily, kinky, straight hair. So they were trying to have something for everybody, but I'm not getting anything that I preferenced. This is really tiny, and it says peekaboo. It's cute, but I don't even know how I'm gonna open it because it's so small. I can't open it. What on earth? Why is it so hard to open? You slide it. Okay. So here's the cream blush. Again, it's a little too pink for me. And I don't know if this is gonna look good. But that's it. Okay. Last but not least, we have Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. It's supposed to give it some volume and curl it at the same time. If you're putting some gel tape on these products, they do not want you to open it apparently. Okay, so you know, your normal little brush. I guess it's curved to give your eyelashes that curled appearance. I can't do anything now because I already have my mascara. But extension plus curl. Marcel. That's it for this Birchbox, guys. Like I said, I am just about going to cancel this Birchbox, and I'm gonna find me a new subscription. I've been looking for new subscriptions for myself, for women who are my age, 40, 35 and up, who's, your skin is changing and it's not as elastic as it used to be. And well, my skin is not as elastic as it used to be. I'm just looking for a new subscription to find some new cute little items, makeup, skin, not so much hair because I have a weird hair texture. You guys know that I'm transitioning to natural hair, and not a lot of things work in my hair. As you can see, I went back to my clip-ins, girl, yes. I just did this half up, half down clip-in style, and I tried to maneuver that every way that I could, and just so I could look decent. And yeah, so my hair is kind of weird. The texture is weird. I don't know what to put in it. So, except for these clip-ins that seem to work when I need them to. And yeah, so that's our Birchbox for June. Not really excited about it. I am going to cancel this subscription because I'm tired of getting duplicates. So if you guys like this Birchbox review, give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.